YouTube analytics, SEO, those are things I did not understand. And I wasn't willing to put the time nor the effort into understanding and learning about them. And that's where Rainu comes in. Rainu has done amazing things for me. And I don't know where my show would be without her help. Every month, Rainu takes the time to not only show me exactly what she's done, but show me the broader impact across my channel and my other videos. It is something that I have come to not only understand the importance of, but now I continuously preach about it. And I'm always sharing about how great of a work she's done and to share amongst my professional network or anybody that stops to ask me what it takes to grow in YouTube these days. Look, I want to say it really simple. If you want somebody with a proven track record of success and somebody that cares about your content as much as you do, Rainu is your number one choice. I highly, highly recommend her. And again, I can't say enough great things about the work she does. One of the greatest things about her is not just her work ethic, but the amount of information that she provides me every month. Every day I look at my videos and I now understand how to move forward and move the needle in the right direction. So if you're looking for somebody that can help you with SEO and YouTube analytics, look no further. You'd be very surprised at how fast she can start moving things the right way.